Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, I recently bought a leaf vacuum and a leaf blower from Home Depot made by Black Decker. It is a 3-in-1, okay, with a big bag, and this is how the machine looks. The way the machine comes, it has a cover for the fan. You know, there is a fan underneath, there is a cover. So what you do is, to use it as a blower, you just attach this part here to the like this, and then we connect it to the power, electric power, and then we turn it on. Now I want to use it as a vacuum. So what you do is that you remove this part, this pipe here. You remove by pressing here. It comes out, and then we have to remove the fan cover, and that is the hard part. Some people have had trouble removing the fan cover. See here, there is a sign saying arrow, but it does not say what to do. The trick is that there is a hole here. You push a screwdriver, and then you push it hard, then it pops out. See, easily it pops out. And once it pops out, then you have to connect this part. See this part here, they also give you. So this part is, it goes like this. See here? You just push it a little bit, and then click, see? Then it becomes like a vacuum. And then, once you connect as a vacuum, see this bag here? This bag has to be inserted here. The bag has to be inserted here. Okay? And then this bag has a, you can hang it on your shoulder. See? You can hang it on your shoulder, and then once you have done it, then what you can do is you can just push this. I'll remove this. See, you remove this bag, and then bag can be emptied. On the back there is a this one, you unwrap it, and then this one. This is how you do it. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.